I am Irish Nicole Fabian.
I am Karil B. Bakay.
I am Maria Lee Baga.
I'm Jean Claire Ballesteros.
I am Lucila May Dalope.
I am Kristen Join B. Hernandez.
I am Anta Grace B. Berzosa.
And we are the future educators.
Both teaching and learning flourish in a learning environment that is safe and conducive. A learning environment that is equipped with learning facilities that aid learning, strongly support the teaching and learning process, promote inclusivity, and encourage a sense of belongingness, which will make students foster equality despite their diversity. Activity 2 is in line with the Domain 2, which is the learning environment, while Activity 3 is in line with the Domain 3, which is the diversity of learners of the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers. These activities include exposure to various school settings, which will enable us to generate or illustrate our ideal school environment that is safe, secure, and conducive to learning. In addition, these provide the opportunity to understand how differences in gender, racial, cultural, and religious background affect the interaction in school, and learn about the practices and strategies that teachers use in dealing with diversity in classroom. As we conduct the second day of our observation at the Pangasinan State University Laboratory Integrated School, we have observed the learning environment affects the diversity of learners.
The physical, psychological, and instructional environment in the classroom is called the learning environment. This includes the teacher's methods for instructing and managing relationships with the students, the way the classroom is set up, furnished, and kept up. The Pangasinan State University Laboratory Integrated School is equipped with facilities that make a significant contribution to the growth and learning of students. Every facility in school serves its purpose and is accessible to every student. A facility is considered useful when it is conducive to a student's learning and development. It is useful when it is used as an avenue, as a ground, or as an instrument for the learners to learn and develop. Also, well-functioning school facilities adapt to the evolving curriculum of instruction and should, at the very least, offer a physically cozy, secure, safe, well-ventilated, well-lit, and aesthetically pleasing environment. Furthermore, a facility is an essential part of the learning environment, not only a passive vessel for the teaching and learning process.
The PSC-LIS has the following facilities: Office of the Principal, Library, Counseling Room, Canteen, Medical Clinic, Learning Resource Center, Science Laboratory, Gymnasium, Auditorium, Outdoor Garden, Comfort Room for girls and boys, Computer Laboratory, and Faculty Room. However, we didn't find a home economics room. The school is situated in a community where it promotes a safer, cleaner, and quieter environment. The school is located near the town proper, which makes it more convenient to all the students. The school was created in a safe and conducive environment. It is away from environmental hazards, noise pollution, air pollution, and etc. The students feel safe and kept away from different threats. Also, the school is near at some community facilities that support learning.
Upon observing the grade 4 class of Ms. Lilibet Mateo, there were numerous classroom management strategies that we have observed. These classroom management strategies were imposing classroom discipline, creating an inclusive, interactive, and child-friendly environment, and the learner-centered teaching approach during instruction. Another commendable strategy of teacher Lilibet was to call their attention when they are not paying attention. She counts to instill discipline, and at the count of 1, they are already seated properly. This way, the learners will be more interested.
It is said that there is no two students that are exactly the same. Every learner has her individual qualities and characteristics that may differ from other learners. These could be differences in gender, needs, interests, strengths and weaknesses, backgrounds, and experiences. Also, these differences may affect how students learn and develop inside the classroom. Ms. Lilibet Mateo's students in her Math 4 class at PSC-LIS were composed of diverse learners. The class is noisy and competitive, with smart kids
raise their hands and wait for the teacher to help them answer, while others choose to answer, knowing that the students behind them were not paying attention. The teacher called their names to get their attention. When a student is called upon but cannot answer a teacher's question, some of his classmates try to help him by whispering correct or appropriate answers, while others simply raise their hands hoping to be asked first.
During the discussion, the students played different behaviors and interaction styles that reflected their individual backgrounds, experiences, and learning preferences. Some students were very active in interacting with the content and participating in discussions. On the other hand, there were participants who showed more restraint, listened attentively, and hesitated to participate actively. This difference in behavior may be due to different comfort levels associated with groups, interactions, personality traits, or cultural behaviors.
During our observation, we have observed the salient characteristic of elementary learners. We have different learning abilities. Some are auditory learners, some are visual learners, and some learn when they're writing. They also have a short attention span. They like to move around the classroom and have conversation with their classmates. Therefore, we believe that teachers should use different learning methods that can cater the diverse student with different learning styles. We must ensure that all learners are engaged and motivated to learn by having an interesting and fun teaching and learning process.
When we appreciate the student participation in teaching and learning, and when there is rapport and trust between our students, we will establish a pleasant learning